back to my YouTube channel. So here is a short video in which I will show you how you can sleep with your hair after doing a perm rod set. So this is day 2 of my perm rod set. So I just removed the perm rods yesterday and I went out with it, and then I slept with this hair. So the best way to keep it fresh, because it's supposed to be able to last 5 to 7 days, the best way to keep it fresh is actually to use a bonnet. Ideally it should be a satin bonnet, and this is what you do. You just like imagine that you are trying to make a pineapple with your hair, and then you put the bonnet. You want all of your hair to fit in. And this is what it should look like. You can safely go to bed just like this. You can safely go to bed just like this, and when you want to remove it, you just do the same thing and you remove it like this, and then you just fix your hair like this, and that's all. So that's it for the tip. I hope this video is going to be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. God bless you and see you soon. Bye bye.